We are going to learn lesson number 1, heredity and evolution in science 2. Now we will start with what is meant by heredity. To learn what is meant by heredity, we have to recall something. The last year we have seen what is heredity and what is nucleus and the other things we have learned. Now today we are going to revise that thing. The first, in your textbook, open your textbook and take pen in your hand, and now look here. The first question, can you recall? The first question is, which component of the cellular nucleus of living organism carries hereditary characters? Which component of the cellular nucleus? We have seen the structure of nucleus. We have seen all the things in the nucleus. We have seen there is a chromatin network in the nucleus in the center, and at the time of cell division this chromatin network changes to chromosomes or genes. The answer of this question, which component of the cellular nucleus of living organism carries hereditary characters? The chromosomes, made up of nucleic acid and proteins present in the nucleus of the cell. Which component is there? Chromosomes. Chromosomes are the component which carries hereditary characters. These chromosomes, they are made up of nucleic acid and proteins, and these chromosomes are present in the nucleus. In this chapter, first we have to know what are chromosomes, and they are made up of nucleic acid and proteins. So it is necessary to learn these. Then second point, what do we call the process of transfer of physical and mental characters from parents to progeny? You have to name the process in which transfer of physical and mental characters from parent to progeny. We have seen this in last year. It is called as inheritance or heredity. Means you know now what is meant by heredity. The transfer of characters of physical and mental characters from parents to progeny. It is called as inheritance or heredity. It is done with the help of chromosomes, and chromosomes are made up of nucleic acid and proteins. Now we will see the answer of the third question. Which are the components of the DNA molecule? We have also seen the structure of DNA last year. DNA molecule is made up of two helical strands. We have seen that DNA is a double helical structure. It has two helical strands, and it consists of deoxyribose sugar, phosphoric acid, and pair of nitrogenous bases. Means it contains three things: deoxyribose sugar, phosphoric acid, and pairs of nitrogenous bases. Means we have to revise all these three things. What is heredity? Heredity means transfer of physical and mental characters from parents to progeny. That is known as heredity, and it is done with the help of chromosomes, and chromosomes are made up of nucleic acid and proteins. And the components of DNA is a structure, double helical structure, and consisting of three things: deoxyribose sugar, phosphoric acid, and pairs of nitrogen bases. These are very important things to see the next things in the lesson. Then we will repeat the thing. What is inheritance or heredity? Now you have to learn the definition of heredity. The definition is the transfer of biological characters from one generation to another via genes. This is the process known as heredity. Then we have to peep in the history how scientists, which scientist does which research. We have to see from this table, we will learn it. Now in the year 1886, in the history means from 1886 to 1961. In 1886, Gregor John Mendel, he is the pioneer of the modern genetics. He studied the topic, that is, he is a pioneer of modern genetics. You have to remember this. You have to, म्हणजे ते प्रश्नामध्ये येईल रिकाम्या जागेमध्ये एखाद वेळेस, तर you have to remember that pioneer of modern genetics is Gregor John Mendel. He has done many experiments on pea plant. We have seen it last year, the experiments to explain the inheritance of characters. Then in 1901, Hugo de Vries, the name of the scientist, he has done the study of mutational theory. What is meant by mutation? Mutation means sudden changes, and discovery reasons behind the sudden changes. He has studied the reasons behind the such changes. In 1902, Walter and Sutton scientists studied the topic study of chromosomes. He has studied the chromosome, paired chromosome in grasshopper cell. Then in 1944, Ostwald Avery, means there are three scientists, Ostwald Avery, MacLean, McCarthy, Colin McCall. He has studied DNA. In all living organisms have genetic material in the form of DNA. Means all living organisms, they have genetic material in the form of DNA, except viruses. You know what are viruses? We are suffering from a disease. आपण आपल्या घरात कोंडून घेतलाय स्वतःला. कोणता व्हायरस आहे तो? कोरोना व्हायरस. कोरोना COVID-19. कोरोना व्हायरस डिसीज 2019. या व्हायरसेसला आपण शिकलो आहे इन 8th स्टँडर्ड. दे आर नॉन लिव्हिंग अँड लिव्हिंग. दे आर living also and non-living also. Means last year 1961, Francois Jacob and Jack Mohod, they have studied the topic protein synthesis, a model for process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cell. Means you have to remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 years you have to remember. एक आहे 1886, दूसरा है 1901, 1902, 1944 and 1961. You have to remember all the years. 1886 ओनली 1886 आहे. 1900चे 4 आहे. 1901, त्याच्यानंतर 2, 44 and 61. The name of the scientist you have to remember, and the topic studied you have to remember, and their discoveries. Then we will see after the discovery of process of protein synthesis. After the discovery of process of protein synthesis, what happens? Genetic codes hidden in DNA were understood. Genetic codes means the codes in a genes. They are hidden in DNA were understood. Because of the discovery of protein synthesis, we understood the genetic codes which are hidden in DNA. Then field of genetic engineering was developed. It is a very good field. It is a very good branch of science, genetic engineer. It is developed with the discovery of protein synthesis. Then third, the technique of recombinant DNA technology that is emerged. कोणती टेक्निक कळाली आपल्याला? रिकॉम्बिनंट DNA टेक्नॉलॉजी ती उदयाला आली. द सायन्स ऑफ हेरिडिटी means why we are studying this heredity science, because it is very important for diagnosis, treatment and prevention of hereditary disorders. The first usefulness of science of heredity is we can diagnose the hereditary disorder, then we will make treatment and then prevention of hereditary disorders. Second, production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants. We have seen BT cotton, brinjal. The hybrid varieties of animals and plants are done or are produced by the discovery of process of by the science of heredity. Use of microbes in industrial process. Third आहे use of microbes in industrial process. We know that the new industry, that is probiotic industry, is emerged because of use of microbes, and the big industry, probiotic industry, is emerged because of science of heredity. Understood? After the discovery of process of protein synthesis, we have seen what happened. Three things are happened. We have seen genetic codes आपल्याला कळले, field of genetic engineering उदयाला आलं, the technique of recombinant DNA technology उदयाला आलं, the science of heredity used for diagnosis, treatment and prevention of heredity disorders, then production of hybrid varieties and use of microbes in industrial process. This is the, and now we will explain the next question. They explain structure of DNA and types of RNA. We have to see three processes. For that we must know the structure of DNA. मागच्याही वर्षी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं DNA खूपच महत्त्वाचं आहे. त्याची आकृती तयार करून ठेवा, त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे ते पॉइंट्समध्ये काढा. मी या ठिकाणी शॉर्टमध्ये, कारण की पुढचं सगळं समजण्यासाठी DNAचं स्ट्रक्चर, RNAचं स्ट्रक्चर आणि टाइप्स ऑफ RNA तुम्हाला कळले पाहिजे, त्यासाठी मी पुन्हा एकदा तुम्हाला ते सांगते आहे. DNA मॉलिक्यूल, आत्ताच मी थोड्या वेळापूर्वी म्हटलं होतं इट हॅज अ डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर. आपण पाहिलं होतं एखादा झुलता जिना किंवा शिडी असते, तसं या DNAचं मॉलिक्यूलचं डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर असतं. इट हॅज 2 स्ट्रँड. ईच स्ट्रँड इज मेड अप ऑफ न्यूक्लिओटाइड्स. प्रत्येक स्ट्रँडमध्ये काय असतात? न्यूक्लिओटाइड्स आर देअर. आणि ईच न्यूक्लिओटाइड इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 थिंग्स. अगेन each nucleotide is made up of 3 things: phosphoric acid, deoxyribose sugar and nitrogenous base. Means DNA molecule is a double helical structure. Each strand is made up of nucleotides. Each nucleotide is made up of 3 things: phosphoric acid, deoxyribose sugar and nitrogenous bases. आता nitrogenous bases are also of 2 types. One is purines and second is pyrimidines. Again, purines are 2 types. First is adenine and guanine. Purines are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are also 2 types, cytosine and thymine. These are 2 types of nitrogenous bases. Adenine always pairs with thymine. Adenine always pairs with thymine with double hydrogen bond. In between adenine and thymine there is a double hydrogen bond. While cytosine is always paired with guanine, it has triple hydrogen bond.